Hi. I'm Neil Farah. Today, I am going to teach you how to navigate the Google Sheets interface. Here's a brief guide to get you started. Opening Google Sheets. To access Google Sheets, go to the Google Sheets website, sheets.google.com, and sign in with your Google account. You can also open Sheets from your Google Drive by clicking the New button and selecting Google Sheets. You can choose a blank spreadsheet or use a template from the template gallery. The Google Sheets interface is divided into several components. Menu bar. The menu bar at the top contains various options such as File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, and more. Toolbar. The toolbar below the menu bar provides quick access to common formatting options, including font style, cell background color, and borders. Formula bar. The formula bar is located below the toolbar and displays the contents of the currently selected cell. You can enter or edit data, formulas, and functions in the formula bar. Sheets tabs. If you have multiple sheets within a spreadsheet, you'll find tabs at the bottom of the window to switch between them. Column headers. Columns are labeled with letters A, B, C, etc. at the top of the sheet. Row headers. Rows are labeled with numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. on the left side of the sheet. Cells. Cells are the individual rectangular units where you enter data, and they are identified by their column and row references. Example A1, B2, C3. Renaming a sheet. Right-click on a sheet tab and select Rename to give it a new name. Adding a sheet. Click on the button at the bottom left corner of the Sheet tabs to add a new sheet. Deleting a sheet. Right-click on a Sheet tab and choose Delete to remove a sheet. Entering data. Click on a cell and start typing to enter data. Navigating within the sheet. Use the arrow keys or tab key to move between cells. Selecting cells, rows, or columns. Click and drag to select multiple cells. Or click on a row or column header to select the entire row or column. Copying and pasting. Select the cells you want to copy, right-click and choose Copy, then right-click on the target location and select Paste. These are just the basics to help you navigate Google Sheets. As you explore further, you'll discover more features and functionalities. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button.